Question 4 on exercise 2.2c says we should find the HCF of the following using index notation: 225 and 750. HCF simply means highest common factor. So in order for us to get the highest common factor, we shall express 225 and 750 as a product of its prime factor. We shall then use the highest common factor to divide 225 and 750 simultaneously to arrive at our answers. When we are done, the product of the common factors used gives us the highest common factor that can divide 255 and 750. 225 and 750. We shall then look for a prime number that can divide 255 and 750 without a remainder. Now, 2 can divide 750, but 2 cannot divide 225. Reason being that for a number to be divisible by 2, the last digit must be a number divisible by 2. 0 is divisible by 2, but 5 is not divisible by 2 without a remainder. So that cannot go. Test for the next higher prime number, which is 3. Can 3 divide? Let's see. Condition for divisibility by 3 says that the sum of the digits of that number must be a number that is divisible by 3. If you add 2 plus 2 plus 5, it gives you 9. And 9 is a multiple of 3. It therefore means that since 3 can divide 9, it therefore means that 3 can divide 225. What about the last 750? Yes, 7 plus 5 is 12, plus 0 is 12. So since 12 is divisible by 3, it therefore means that 750 is also divisible by 3. So we therefore use 3. 3 into 22 is 7 times remainder 1. 3 into 15 is 5 times. 3 into 7 is 2 times remainder 1. This becomes 15. 3 into 15 is 5 times. 3 into 0 is 0. Can 3 divide? While 3 can divide 75, 3 cannot divide 250 because 2 plus 5 is 7 plus 0 is 7, and 7 is not divisible by 3. So it therefore means that 250 is equally not divisible by 3. We then test the condition for the next higher prime number, which is 5. Rules for divisibility state that for a number to be divisible by 5, the last digit must either be a 0 or a 5. So these two meet such conditions, and so they are divisible by 5. So 5 into 7 is 1 remainder 2. 5 into 25 is 5 times. Going to this, 5 into 25 is 5 into 0 is 0. 5 can still divide. 5 into 15 is 3 times. 5 into 50 is 10. There is no prime factor that can divide 3 and 10 without a remainder. So we therefore say that the HCF of these two numbers is said to be 3 times 5 times 5. This is equal to 3 times 5 is 15. 15 times 5 is 75. So 75 is said to be the highest common factor between 225 and 750, meaning 75 is the highest factor that can divide 225 and 750. Kindly like my videos as you watch. While I recommend that you subscribe to my channel if you are yet to do so. Also turn on the notification bell so as to be notified whenever a new video is being uploaded. You can also use the comment section to interact with me on areas that are still difficult for you to understand. While I recommend you share the link with your friends and families so that they can also benefit from our daily classes. We shall then take question number 5 on exercise 2.2c.